Hey guys, welcome back to edition 1. Are your drawers opening by itself after closing? Okay, let's give it a moment and you'll notice that it's opening by itself. Well, this and that. You see that? See that? Okay, there's nothing paranormal about it. It's just that probably this cabinet is seated on an uneven ground. So there is a solution for this, and I'm about to show you what I'm going to do. Okay, so first we're going to remove this drawer and I'll show you guys how to do it. Okay, so do you see this black pin here? You got to lift it up. Okay, lift that up and pull the drawer out. Okay, and on the other side as well, do you see this? On this side you got to push it down. Okay, push it down and pull it out. So now we get to just remove the drawer slowly. Now the solution to my so-called automated drawers are magnets, which I purchased on Shopee. So you could see that this is a steel plate and this is the magnet. Okay, see? Okay, and it also came with double-sided tape and with some screws. So my idea here is to attach the steel plate over here, and the magnet will be going into the bottom of the drawer, right there, right above the handle. So why I decided to fit the magnet here and not here or here or here is because this is hidden and it doesn't look like this cabinet has been modified or nothing like that. It's going to look perfectly normal, just like the way how it was when it was newly purchased. Right, so to know how far to the back or to the front that you want this steel plate to be, you got to use your magnet, attach it on that, and make sure that it's flush with this wall here. You see, you got to make sure that it's flush here, so that when you close the drawer, it's not going to be bulging out. You see, if it's too out, it's going to look like this probably. Or if the steel plate is fitted too much far inside, it's not going to have a contact point with the magnet. So make sure that it's flush with this wall here. So I'll mark the holes now. And yes, you do need a small screwdriver, something that you could easily use it in spaces like this. You can't use a long one, so this seems very appropriate. And just screw it in. It's going to be easy because we have already drilled the hole. Okay, make sure it's snug, not too tight. If not, you could damage this board. These are MDF boards which are quite soft, and if you over thread it, the screw is just going to start spinning. It's not going to hold it tight anymore. So this is tight right now. And next we got to mark the drawers on where to fit the magnet. So this magnet is going to go here like this, and I'll be using the double-sided tape that they have provided. I'll put it on the magnet like this. Okay, so next I'm going to put the drawer back in, and I'm sure you guys understand what's going to happen. As the drawer is closed, this adhesive on the magnet is going to stick back to the drawer, and as we pull it out, we'll know where to fit the magnet. Okay, so I'm going to remove the drawer once again. Okay, and now you can see that here it has stuck there. So this is where I'm going to be drilling 2 holes, and I'll be fixing it with a screw so it doesn't move around. And next we're going to put in the screws, so make sure it's snug. Okay, now we're going to fit back the drawer and give it a try. Okay, so let's just wait for a few seconds to see if it's going to open up again. If it opens up again, then it's definitely paranormal. So it's been more than 10 seconds now, and the drawer stayed in its closed position. It did not open back, and I'll be doing this side as well shortly. So if you like this video, put a thumbs up and do subscribe, guys. Thank you. See you guys in the next video.